What's up, guys? It's the Farmer Boy 1355, and today I will be doing some tree stuff for an older lady. But first, I bought an attachment for the JCB backhoe. So let's go get that. I'm gonna hop in the truck and hook up to the trailer, and we'll head down to the place and get it. I'll see y'all there. Let's hook this up. Now I'm gonna lower this trailer down and unload the stuff, the Kubota and the JCB. Get this stuff off and then load the JCB up and get that up and go get the attachment. And I'll tell you, I'll spoil a little bit. It's a grapple for the front of that. I'll Now that I got it unloaded, I'm gonna unhook this and load it up and head down the road. And if I have a little struggle getting out of this gate, I'm gonna have to remove that gate and fix it and stuff because I cannot get out and it's weird. But I'm gonna load this up now. I'll see you all when we get there. Peace. Okay, we're coming up on this right here, and I'm gonna have to unload it and stuff, so I'm not gonna be talking. And here it is, the grappler that I've purchased. So now I'm going to fiddle with it and mess with it and see how it works, but now I'm gonna load this up. Okay, now I'm gonna head over to the house and I'm gonna start cutting the trees. Now it's gonna be one tree, but on the next episode I will be cutting down both trees. She has 2 trees, but I'm only cutting down one today. And then on the next episode I will be cutting both trees down. So I just want to let you all know that's how it's gonna work, and I'll see y'all when we get there. I don't get why every tree service I go to, they're not like near where I'm at. Okay, now we're coming up on it, and remember this is an older folks house, so we're gonna probably just pull in the yard instead of pulling up front. Yeah, we're gonna pull up in the front yard, or not in the front, we're gonna go to the side, but if you look back there, it's a little bush, and then I have a tree over here, and one of the bushes in the back, she wants completely cut. But I am gonna be wood chipping these ones up, using the wood chipper on these. So the next episode, I'll probably have the wood chipper down here, start wood chipping some stuff. Like the first tree over here, the bush will be gone. That tree will be gone. That tree will be gone. Then she wants us to come back and plant some more trees. She said these ones are old. She wants some newer ones. She wants them to grow new, brand new, so they're healthier. So I'm cutting this tree down. Now I'm gonna go push this the rest of the way and then grab it with the grappler. Boom. Got that down. Now I'm gonna go from the side probably. And then if I didn't get the limbs up, I'll do that in the next episode because I'll pull over because I also am gonna grind the stumps. So I'll bring that thing up here and grind these up. I'm gonna grab that and drag it out. Grab this and drag it out to the center. Okay, now that I got that put there, I'm gonna probably end this video here. So the next episode will be soon, not too far, but remember to stay farming and peace.